Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make kakaotalk emoticons. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. Basically, here is an option to make your own emoticons on kakaotalk, but we can get many emoticons on kakaotalk app. So to get emoticons, tap on this three dot icon to the bottom right corner and tap on emoticons. And here you will get lots of emoticons. You can select new category, popular, tap on categories to select different types of categories from this list. For example, I'm going to use emoticons from new, so I'm going to tapping on new and tapping on these pretty stickers. Here we will see all of the emoticons, and we can tap on purchase to purchase the emoticons. Find out the exact emoticon from here and purchase the emoticon, then you will be able to use the emoticons. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.